we need to ensure the maturity is consistent across the row.
Yes, especially for the textile grade fibers.
Watch your step on the left.
Steady now, almost there.
This one has discoloration right here.
Okay, put that aside. This one is fine, spray it.
Ready, lift. Watch the side there. Okay, bringing it down.
Watch the clearance on your left.
Got it, thanks. Move those pallets out of the way.
Reading is at 32.55%.
Confirmed.
Entering data.
Keep them submerged evenly.
Okay, I'm adjusting the platform on tank 3 now.
Okay, lift, watch the water.
Got it, moving to the grate.
We're lifting the next one now.
Be sure to maintain consistent thickness on these fibers. We need the fine quality for the silk process.
Source batch 4R, grade A, matches the manifest.
Confirmed. I've updated the tracking database.
Flow rate is steady, clarity threshold met. Acknowledged. Advancing the batch now.
Ensure the fibers are evenly distributed. Check the timer for the duration.
Uniform chemical penetration achieved. Time is consistent with the protocols.
The natural conditioning oils are applied as a fine mist, ensuring uniform coverage. This
Conditioned fiber accumulates in collection bins where it undergoes a rest period, allowing the absorbed conditioning oils to fully penetrate the fiber structure. Approved roving bobbins are loaded onto ring spinning frames, the primary yarn production equipment, where final drafting and twist insertion converts ropes into finished yarn.
Completed yarn packages are removed from the spinning frame and placed in transport carts that will carry the material.
Approved yarn packages advance to the yarn conditioning area, where the material undergoes steam treatment that sets the yarn twist and relaxes residual stresses. Approved conditioned yarn packages are inventoried and transferred to the weaving preparation department, where the material is organized for loom loading and fabric production.
In the warping department, yarn from hundreds of individual packages feeds simultaneously through a sophisticated
sizing machine draws warp yarns from the supply beam through a bath of sizing solution containing protective polymers that will coat each yarn surface.
The sized warp beam completes building with the full required length of protected warp yarns precisely wound onto the beam, maintaining uniform tension and organization.
Completed fabric from both hand and power looms accumulates in the gray goods warehouse, where woven fabric awaits subsequent finishing processes.
Minor fabric defects are corrected by skilled fabric menders who use fine needles to carefully weave repair threads into the fabric structure.
Following bleaching, fabric passes through extensive rinsing in multi-stage washers that remove all
Rinsed and cleaned fabric enters a calendering machine, where the material passes between heated rollers that apply pressure and heat.
All specifications met, the color grading is superb.
Agreed. This banana silk is ready for certification.
We follow a loaded forklift from the packing area through connecting passages to the warehouse receiving dock, where the precise weight measurement enables verification that the production fabric matches specifications and allows detection of process variations.
Color fastness testing evaluates how well dyed banana stem to fine quality silk fabric retains color when exposed to light, washing, rubbing.
URS. Fabric hand evaluation uses trained assessors who manipulate fabric samples.
Dimensional stability testing evaluates fabric shrinkage tendency by measuring changes in fabric dimensions.
Chemical analysis testing verifies fabric composition and detects any residual processing chemicals or contaminants.
The final tensile strength results are logged here.
Good. And the banana silk compliance statements are all confirmed?
Yes, everything is within tolerance for the shipment.
The defect rate on the silk fiber extraction has dropped significantly.
Is that consistent across all shifts?
Yes, the new steaming process stabilized the fiber strength.
Manifest confirms 2 silk fabrics and 1 banana stem.
Scans match the silk. Visual check on the banana stem is good.
All right, finalizing the shipment now.
All right, drivers, lanes 1 and 2 are clear for departure. Ensure timely delivery to the regional market.
This is where the banana silk truly differentiates itself from synthetics.
Yeah, the hand feel is incredible.
Yeah.
The sustainable sourcing is a major selling point for our clients.
This fabric is unique because it's sourced from agricultural waste, giving it incredible natural breathability.
Yeah, right. It drapes.